here we go. And this is how easy it peels off. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait. Eee. What's it gonna look like? Oh my gosh. It's like unwrapping a Christmas gift. Hi guys, welcome to Art by Julie E. Today we're going to be doing alcohol inks again today, and they are also inspired again today by Clara. She did something really super fun, and it's really quick. It's a kind of set it and forget it type of thing, and I apologize right now because my window is open. This takes a lot of alcohol, there's a lot of fumes, and so you want a really well ventilated area. And since I'm going to be busy talking you through this and not wearing my mask, I have my windows open, I have the fan going, and I have my air purifier on. So please do all those things yourself and wear your mask. I am also going to be putting on gloves because it can get a little messy. I already did one already right here that we're going to do the reveal on. But first I'm going to show you what we're doing. We're working with 10 by 10 stencils, or 12 by 12 I should say, 12 by 12 stencils and 12 by 12 cradle boards. These are the Da Vinci Pro panels, and you can get those off of Jerry's Artorama website, and they're just really super nice. I haven't painted on them yet. I've only done inks on them, so I'm not sure how they work for paints, but for inks, they are awesome and super easy to use. This is how easy it is to use these. Just unwrap and go. Unwrap and go. And so yeah, it's nice because this is a quick art, because there's no paints to mix. Nothing like that. So, all right, so it's unwrapped, so it's set to go. Our stencil is out of the package. I will have a link for these stencils in the description below. I got these from Amazon. They were a pack of 9. There were 9 of them in there. And these ones do not extend all the way out to the edge of the cradle board. So we are gonna have a bit of a definition line where our stencil sits, but we can go in with a brush later on, fix it up, or maybe do some spray paint to it, or maybe mix some pigments in with resin when we go to seal it, who knows. But right now, we're just gonna do the quick and easy fun part first. So, all right, I will bring you down here onto the cradle board and we'll get started. Okay, the motorcycle has passed. So we can get started. What you need for this is your cradle board, your stencil, 99% isopropyl alcohol. You can go as low as 91%, but any lower than that, I do not recommend at all. And then 3 colors and a metallic. So let's see. I have the blue one that I did, so let's go ahead and do blue again, so that way we can kind of match what we're going for. Let's see. Let's do Baja Blue and teal, and let's see, one more. Let's put in a contrast color. You know what? Yeah. No. Let's. Yeah, let's go with Rainforest Green. Okay, so these are all by Pinata, and I think most of them, all of them might have come in the Exciter pack. I will list the Exciter pack link for Amazon link in the description. You can also get these from Jerry's Artorama, the Exciter packs by Pinata also. And then we're going to be using brass, which is really pretty and looks like gold, and it's a floater, so it stays above it, but we're not going to worry about this till the end. Okay, so all right, let's get started. So you don't need any special tools. You do need your respirator, that is a tool, but yeah, you don't need anything special. Just grab your hair dryer out of your bathroom. Okay, so here we go. This is a lot of alcohol, because we are going to coat the entire board. Okay. Now make sure that if you do this, you're not going to do some pouring right afterwards to where you're going to have to use your torch, because you're still going to have fumes flying around in your room, and that would not be a good thing. Do not have any open flames or anything around while you're doing this, please. All right, so let's do just like that, a few drops. And then this is, let's see, that was the rainforest green. Then we're going to go in with the teal. There we go. And this is the Baja Blue. Let's see. Okay, and that is all we need. Now we're going to grab a little blow dryer on low, on cool, and we're just going to push these colors around a bit. There we go. And if you see them sticking a little bit, just give them a little rub with your gloved finger. Don't do this without gloves on. You don't want to stick your finger into this high grade alcohol. And I have a couple little chunkies of dry ink, but should be okay. Okay, and let's see, that will do it. Super quick and easy. Now, with your stencils like these, you want to make sure that all the little holes are out, because some of them come with little pieces of plastic that still haven't popped out yet. So, yeah, double check. Oh, there's another one. There is another one. Double check some of your stencils and try to pull that plastic, those little plastic nubs. Oh my gosh. You know what they remind me of? Dangling chads. Are you guys old enough to remember that whole voting fiasco? Remember the... There we go. It's on the top, so we'll be okay. And I think that's it. Nope, there's another one. Oh my goodness. But yeah, do you guys remember the whole dangling chads fiasco of Bush v. Gore? That's as far as I'm going to get into politics. Nothing else. Okay, now we're just going to lay it down onto our board. There we go. Super, super simple. Okay. And then, oops, I kind of tilted a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, my board is uneven. Not my board, my table. So I apologize. But now we're just going to let that sit. And then, if we want some gold accents, then we can just go in, like these little hearts right there. We can do every heart around it. Whoop, that one got 2 drops. All right, let's put an extra drop on all of these. It'll just float and spread underneath. but it might look cool. Okay, there. And then, let's see. Should we do these? Let's do these. This is the fun part. Okay, and where else? Where else? Let's do these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I think that should be plenty for now. Oh, no, I didn't miss that. Okay. Yeah, that should be good. All right. So we're going to set this one aside and reveal it at a later date because I'm on a time crunch. Here we go. Yeah, it's pretty level. Okay. So, yeah, I'm on a time crunch trying to get things done, and I also have a very good sweet friend in the hospital. Not gonna say what she's in for or get into any of her medical details, but she's probably a close friend of many of you out there too. Art by Sparkle. We're thinking of you. We're praying for you, and hopefully I will be up later today to visit you again. Yeah, if you could send some loving prayers, healing energy her way, I know that she would love and appreciate it. So, okay, here we go. On to the reveal. I can take my gloves off. This took about, I just left it sit overnight. I checked it a couple hours after I did it, and it was still squishy, and you can tell by when you push down on your stencil, if you see kind of some movement, fluid movement, kind of squishing around under there, then just don't touch it, just leave it. All right, here we go. And this is how easy it peels off. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait. What's it gonna look like? Oh my gosh. It's like unwrapping a Christmas gift. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. How cool is that? How cool is this? Doesn't it look like an antique tile or tie-dye or something? It's like a combination. It's a combination of the antique ceiling tiles and tie-dye. I just love it. Love it. All right. And there we have it. It's that easy. Now all we're going to do is we're going to spray on the Khmer and then go from there with the UV gloss varnish, and then we can really start to play with the resin or spray paint or whatever else you want to do to it. Sky's the limit. Use your imagination. Be creative. Loves and hugs you all. Bye.